Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to create software icon on desktop in Windows 11. Okay, let's start the video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Okay, click on start, click on all programs, click on Canon utility. Okay, click on IJScan utility, click on more, open file location. You see here shortcut icon is here. Click on this icon and click on show more. Click on send to desktop. Okay, you see on screen icon is on desktop. Okay, once again I'm creating shortcut on Corel Draw. Okay, right click, show more, send to desktop. You see on screen Corel Draw is also on screen.